How to load paper inside of your Brother printer, that is the HL-L2465DW. So first of all, in the front of the printer, because there's two different paper inputs, the first one and the main paper input is over here. So you simply have to slide your finger and pull this drawer out. You can pull it completely out, by the way, or you can simply leave it like this. So over here, we're gonna have this green latch that you can adjust depending the size of your paper. And if I pull it completely, you're gonna notice there's another green latch. Depending what you're trying to input, over here I have some US letter size. If you want to print on letter size, make sure that this latch is over LTR. You see, you can move it up and down. If you want to print on legal size paper, which is longer, you need to press this button and extend just like that the compartment, and then you'll be able to place the latch where you see LGL for legal. Let me put it back. And as you see, if you're printing on smaller paper, you can simply drag this down this way. If you're printing on envelopes, you can also do this just like that, so your envelopes fit in between. Great. One important thing that I need to mention is that if you look over here, you should never put paper above the red line. You see this one with the three triangles? If not, it has a high chance of jamming. So let me put back the drawer slightly like this, take my stack of paper, align it, and simply glide it just like that, and then you can close the lid. You can also use the front paper input that is above it. You can lower this, and again you have two tabs over here. This is mostly used if you want to print on envelopes, so you don't have to remove your US letter size that is located over here every time you want to print on envelope. You can simply open this flap, adjust it depending on the size of your envelope, and use it this way. Not many people will actually use it, but it's great to know that it exists. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get some paper for your printer. You support my channel every time you go through my links. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.